Did you know there's a robot that fires laser beams at weeds and burns 600,000 of them in a single hour? Or that there's a tractor the size of a house that plows the entire field at night with absolutely no one inside the cabin? If when you think of gardening you picture a watering can, some gloves, and your knees stuck in the dirt, forget all that. What's happening right now in fields and gardens around the world looks like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, and almost nobody knows about it. Drones flying between trees, picking fruit one by one, robot cowboys herding cattle on their own through the desert, machines feeding 240 animals without the farmer lifting a finger. This isn't a plan for 20 years from now. All of this is working today. Today, I'm going to show you the 8 most insane and futuristic inventions on the planet for taking care of your garden and your farm. And I'll tell you right now, number 1 is so simple and yet so brilliant that you're going to want one in your own backyard before this video even ends. Number 8. Tevil Robotics. Let's start by looking up at the sky. Picture small propeller drones floating between the branches of an apple tree, choosing which fruit is perfectly ripe and picking it without bruising it. That's Tevil. These aren't ordinary drones. They're tethered by a cable to a wheeled base that moves through the orchard and supplies them with power and a brain so they can fly non-stop day and night. Each robot uses cameras and artificial intelligence to spot the fruit among the leaves, calculate its color and size, and decide which one is worth picking. Then it extends an arm with a suction cup and grabs it with the gentleness of a human hand. A single platform controls up to 6 of these drones at once, and they can harvest apples, peaches, citrus, or avocados at heights of 4 to 5 meters. The reason behind all this? Every year, thousands of pickers are missing, and fruit ends up rotting on the tree. These flying creatures never get tired, never get hurt, and never ask for vacation. Number 7. Carbon Robotics Laser Weeder. For a century, the solution to weeds was spraying poison over the entire field. This Seattle company said enough and brought science fiction technology to the farm. The laser weeder is a beast that crawls between crops firing high-powered laser beams at weeds one by one. What it does on the inside is insane. Its most powerful version carries up to 24 industrial lasers and 24 NVIDIA graphics chips working at the same time. Its cameras scan the ground, and an artificial intelligence trained on millions of images tells a lettuce apart from a weed in milliseconds with sub-millimeter precision. When it spots the enemy, it fries it. A flash burns the weed's stem and dries it out instantly, without touching the crop and without a single drop of chemicals. The number that's scary? It's capable of incinerating 600,000 weeds in an hour, about 167 every second. It does the work of a crew of 75 people and leaves the soil clean and healthy. Selective assassination at the botanical level. Number 6. John Deere's Autonomous Electric Tractor. Look at this tractor and you'll see something chilling. There's no one inside. The age-old brand, John Deere, unveiled its new generation of fully autonomous machines, and its chief technology officer put it plainly. When we talk about autonomy, we mean there is absolutely no one on the machine. How does it pull this off? It carries 16 cameras spread across pods that give it a 360-degree view of the field, with no blind spots whatsoever, plus powerful onboard computers with NVIDIA chips that process everything it sees in milliseconds. With the latest update, it can see up to 24 meters ahead, which lets it move 40% faster and pull twice the equipment. It works day and night, plowing, planting, and preparing the soil on its own, while the farmer keeps an eye on it from his phone over a cup of coffee. There are already electric versions, and even an autonomous commercial lawnmower for landscaping companies. The brand's stated goal is bold: a fully automated farm by 2030. Number 5. Gus Automation. Spraying an almond orchard or a vineyard is one of the slowest, most dangerous, and most unpleasant jobs on a farm. You have to drive row after row for hours, breathing in chemicals while wearing a protective suit. Gus, a California company, solved this by making the machines drive themselves. Its name says it all: Global Unmanned Spray System. These are autonomous sprayers that move through rows of trees guided by GPS and LiDAR sensors, which map the orchard using beams of light. But here's the most incredible part. A single operator can control up to 8 of these machines at once, from a laptop, comfortably seated in his truck and away from the cloud of chemicals. The newer versions are electric and detect weeds, so they only spray where it's actually needed, using far less product. The idea worked so well that in 2025 it was bought by the giant John Deere. There are already more than 250 units at work, and they've sprayed millions of hectares autonomously. Number 4. Swagbot. This looks like a meme, but it's real and it works. Swagbot is a four-wheeled robot, painted bright red, designed at the University of Sydney to do the job of a cowboy, but without the cowboy. Its mission: herd cattle on its own across enormous, rugged terrain where it would take a human half a day just to get there. What's fascinating is how it does it. Swagbot is equipped with sensors and artificial intelligence that analyze the health of the pasture and of the animals themselves. With that data, it decides which area of the field to move the herd to so they can graze on the best grass, and it moves them elsewhere before they overgraze and damage the soil. And the cows? Over time, they learn to follow the robot as if it were just another member of the herd, with no need for fences or herding dogs. It's electric, all-terrain, and can handle the toughest ground. In a country like Australia, with 30 million cows spread across vast deserts, this metal cowboy could be the difference between living soil and dead soil. Number 3. Yarbo. So far we've seen giant farm machines, but Yarbo is different. It's built for your own backyard. Picture a single-tracked robot, the core, onto which you attach different accessories depending on the season, swapping them in under 2 minutes with no tools required. Summer? Attach the mower module and it mows up to 6 acres of lawn on its own. Fall? Snap on the blower and it sweeps the leaves with a powerful blast of air. Winter? Mount the snowblower and it throws snow up to 12 meters away from your driveway. It moves without a perimeter wire, guiding itself using high-precision GPS, cameras, and sensors, and it's able to climb slopes of up to 70%. It has heated cameras to keep working through the depths of winter, watches over your yard like a guardian, alerts you through the app when snow is coming, and when it runs low on battery, it heads back to its base to recharge on its own. It was born from a crowdfunding campaign that raised more than $3 million. The future of yard work laziness made real. Number 2. Lely Vector. Let's head over to the barn. Feeding a herd of cows is a job that never lets up. You have to mix the feed, distribute it, and push it back within reach several times a day, every single day of the year. The Lely Vector, a Dutch machine, does all of that by itself, with no one ever climbing onto a tractor. The system has 2 parts: a kitchen where the ingredients are stored, and a mixing robot that lives roaming around the farm. Here's the clever trick. The robot scans with a sensor how much feed is left in the trough. If it detects that supplies are running low, it heads back to the kitchen, loads the exact ration for that group of cows, mixes it to perfection, and delivers it fresh as many times as needed around the clock. On top of that, it pushes the feed closer to the cows so it's always within reach, and it carries magnets that catch any stray bit of metal before it ever reaches the animal. A single vector can feed up to 240 cows and saves the farmer about 8 hours a week. Fresher feed means healthier cows and more milk. Number 1. Farmbot. And we've arrived at number 1. It's not the biggest or the most expensive one, and that's exactly why it's the king, because it packs all this science fiction technology into your own backyard. Farmbot is a robot that mounts on top of a garden bed and works like a 3D printer, except instead of printing plastic, it grows real vegetables. An arm slides along rails across 3 axes, forward, sideways, and up-down, with millimeter precision, and it swaps tools on its own. A seed injector, a watering nozzle, a soil sensor, a weed remover. It plants seeds at exactly the right depth, waters each plant individually, detects weeds and pulls them out, and measures soil moisture. And how do you control it? From your phone's browser, dragging and dropping vegetables onto a map of your garden, just like playing Farmville. It can take care of more than 30 different crops at the same time. And the best part? It's 100% open source. Its blueprints are free for anyone in the world. It's used in more than 500 schools. And NASA even invited its creators to think about how to grow food on the moon and on Mars. We've gone from drones that harvest apples on their own to a robot that grows your garden while you sip coffee on the couch. And this isn't science fiction or some plan for 2050. All of these machines exist and are working right now, on farms, in vineyards, and in the gardens of ordinary people. But I'll leave you with a question to think about. Do we really want a farm and a garden where not a single human hand is needed? Or is there something we lose when a machine does all the work on the land? Tell me in the comments. Let me know which of these 8 inventions you'd put in your home today, and which one gives you a bit of a chill. I want to read what you think. And if this journey through the craziest farm technology has blown your mind, smash that like button and subscribe, because in the next video we're going even further. See you in the next one.